Assalamu alaikum and good to have you with us. Life and health are precious gifts which are not to be taken for granted. So in a society with a sizable population, we need to have facilities for their protection. For this reason, Islam is operating a large network of ambulances in the major cities of Pakistan. Here you see behind me some of them in the city of Karachi. Well equipped with oxygen cylinders, first aid kits and trained staff. These vehicles are available 24/7 on a single call with no charges. Not only in Pakistan, Islam gifted 30 ambulances to Turkish government organization, Afad, Diyanat Vakfi and Turkish for their disaster management project. We pray for the health and safety of all the Muslims. That's all for now. Thank you.